Let me tell you something. You might not agree with what I'm about to say. In fact, it might challenge everything you've been taught about money.
But if you stay with me until the end of this video, you may never look at your career, your income, or your financial future the same way again.
So let me ask you something.
Do you honestly believe that working harder is the secret to becoming rich? Think about it for a second.
If hard work alone creates wealth,
then why are millions of people working 50, sometimes 60 hours every single week?
And still stressing over rent, mortgage payments, credit card bills,
and wondering if they'll have enough money left at the end of the month.
Now here's the part that doesn't make sense. At the very same time, there are people who don't seem to work nearly as many hours. Yet somehow, their wealth keeps growing. Their investments grow, their businesses grow, their assets grow, year after year. So what's really going on? Is it luck? Do they simply have better connections? Or are they playing a completely different game? One that most people don't even realize exists. Now, let me ask you one more question. Why are companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into artificial intelligence? Do you really think they're just racing to build smarter chatbots? Or do they see something much bigger? Something that most people still haven't connected the dots on? Because today's video isn't really about AI. AI is just the headline. The real story is where the money is quietly moving behind the scenes. And that's the opportunity almost nobody is talking about. If you understand what's happening before everyone else does, you won't spend the next decade trying to catch up. You'll be in a position to benefit from one of the biggest economic shifts of our lifetime. So don't skip ahead, don't click away, because before this video ends, I'm going to show you why some of the smartest investors in the world started preparing for this years ago, while most people are still looking in the wrong direction. If you're the kind of person who wants to understand where money is moving before everyone else does, go ahead and leave a comment below and type, "I'm ready." I read every comment, and I'd love to know who's serious about building wealth, not just earning a paycheck. And if you're interested in AI, investing, financial freedom, and the biggest economic opportunities of the next decade, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Because every week, we break down the trends that could change the way you think about money forever. Now, let's keep going.